This session might be half recorded क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा डेटा कम है. चलो, welcome to today's session. Today is 12th of June and this is the last session. This is the third open session for theory of design. I hope you all had a good experience with this. I think I could deliver with the best possible thing that I can do. And okay, so next weekend also I'm planning a similar stuff. जो अदरवाइज एनीवे पब्लिक डोमेन में अवेलेबल है उसी को करवा सकते हैं. सो उसमें हम थोड़ा बिल्डिंग एलिमेंट्स और उसका बात करेंगे. बेसिक पूरा नहीं है वो मटेरियल. अनदर थिंग इसकी मंडे से बैच चालू हो रहा है. उस बारे में मैं बात कर चुका हूँ, यूट्यूब वीडियो में भी है. जिन लोगों ने इंक्वायरी किया है उनको वो प्रोग्राम डॉक्यूमेंट भी मिल चुका है. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड तो यू हैव माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर. मुझे बता देना अभी, क्योंकि काफी लोगों का लॉट ऑफ पीपल वेर इंटरेस्टेड, लेकिन वो क्वेरी मैंने अभी तक उतना इजीली एंटरटेन नहीं किया है. यू हैव टुडे, यू हैव टुमारो. इफ योर डिसीजन इज फाइनल लेट मी नो, वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रोसेसिंग. और अगर नहीं है तो यूट्यूब पे जो मिनी टेस्ट सीरीज और ये सब चीजें हैं वो चलता रहेगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, दैट्स इट. इतना ही बात करेंगे. चलो, सो कलर्स, विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट कलर्स फर्स्ट. क्या होता है कलर? क्या होता है कलर? क्या होता है? When I say that this is a very colorful painting, तो थोड़ा इसमें हमें ये इसका मतलब दिस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट और इसका एग्जाम में शायद आएगा भी नहीं, बट मेरे हिसाब से नॉलेज होना, थोड़ा नॉलेज इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. Right? Plus, what is the let's start talking about the importance of color. So there was an experiment done कुछ टाइम पहले, in which same group of people, they were kept, one group of people of various age groups and demographic, they were kept in a room. That room had blue, red floor, red furniture, red walls, red ceiling and red lights. And they were kept there for let's say 1 hour. After 1 hour their blood pressure was checked and वो थोड़ा high blood pressure था relatively. Then the same group was transferred to a blue room, blue floor, blue ceiling, blue furniture, blue wall, blue light. And after a while, after 1 hour, it was found that their blood pressure was lower than average. Lower than average. So colors have a physiological impact on us. All right. Colors also have a physical impact on us. जैसे इट इज सेड कि समर में व्हाइट कपड़ा पहनना चाहिए. क्यों? बिकॉज व्हाइट कलर जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा कलर रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. ओके, इट हैज इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट ऑन अस एज वेल. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. व्हेन तो एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज का एक वीडियो मैं देख रहा था कुछ टाइम पहले. तो व्हेन ओबामा, यू नो बराक ओबामा, राइट? यस, वी गाइस नो बराक ओबामा. You know Barack Obama. So when Barack Obama was fighting for, or he was contesting for the presidentship of USA, he used to wear a red tie. Now why red? Because red is the color of passion, red is the color of energy. So he wanted to give a very subtle hint to people that he was an aggressive contender. He was not a laid down person. He was a underdog. No, he was fighting from the below. So he wanted to give that image. But as soon as he won the election, he started wearing blue tie. Now why blue? Because blue is a very subtle, shant color and it gives a sense of trust. So this change was a very thoughtful change. It was not like random change. Now I like red color, I will. It was very thoughtful color. Even there is a theory when last presidential election about Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton. So they were using the same three colors: red, blue and white. Correct? The flags of the colors of flag in America. So in the website of Donald Trump, red was used as a major color, as a primary color, primary in the sense the main color, let's say around 60%, more than 50% of that website, जो UI UX होता है, that was red. Blue was very minor and white was just the background. In Hillary Clinton's website, there was brown, there was these three primary colors were definitely there, but there was brown also. And even the campaigns that we did, if you have seen him wearing the red cap, Make America Great Again, it was a red cap. So colors have an emotional impact on us as well. They have physical impact on us, they have physiological impact on us, they have you can say emotional impact on us, and our choices and our actions are sometimes defined by colors. जैसे let me give you an example. एक simple example है, there is a very simple example. Red, yellow and green. Where have you seen these colors? Red, yellowish, orange and green. Where have you seen these colors? Traffic signal होता है, traffic signal पता है ना? So traffic signal you have the color red, then you have the color yellow, and then you have the color green. One reason being that we always generally associate red with anger or red with danger, because red is the color of blood, and green is generally considered as a positive color. Shubhi, Sarthik, okay. But there is another reason, the scientific reason, because we use red is red, the color red, it is visible from very far away to us, to human beings, very far away. But green jo hai, being the calm and cool color that green is not visible from very far away. So the way it is designed is, if I am very, let's say I am 600, 700 kilometers from uh, the traffic signal. If it is red, I will see red very clearly. But if it is green, I will not see it, the green color, that prominently, because if I'm 600 meters away from the signal and I see green, I'll raise my bike, and it might turn red when I'm just about to cross the station. So there is a possibility of accident as well. So this is how color theory is used in science also. Let me give you another example. So you must know that police jo hota hai, police ka jo, okay, so have you seen that radioactive ka signal, yeah, whatever signals are there, they use the color yellow and black. Yes, jo crime scene pe jo ye lagaya jata hai, yellow and black. So why that color and why that is a faulty design? Okay, so the concept of contrast colors. Now, according to a study, according to a research, actually not study, the pair of colors that was found the most attractive is called contrast colors, and that color scheme was yellow and magenta. So if you put red green ek dusre ke bagal mein, that they are contrast colors. You put blue orange ek dusre ke bagal mein, that is something different. But if you put yellow violet, yellow magenta, not yellow violet, with each other, yellow is, that is the most prominent color scheme or two colors system, which attracts our eyes the easily. And when they were designing the system of this, ki baba radioactive, because if you are walking on the road and if there is a radioactive signal, let's say some house or some area is radioactive us tarah se, so you want to notice it very quickly. So they came up with the solution that, what, we will take yellow and magenta as that color scheme. But when that came to the society कि बाबा ये scientist ने बोला कि ये color scheme सबसे ये है, people are like कि no, how come, the general consensus was कि people will not take magenta seriously, and that is the reason why it is yellow and black. So whenever you see the police one और जो barricades वगैरह होते हैं, तो yellow black होते हैं, yellow magenta नहीं होते. That is a मतलब interpretation है उस चीज का, that is the interpretation of that thing. So color theory really impacts us. Let me give you another example. when before you are at the age of, let's say, 14 or something, you have lot of different colors that you like. जब तुम basically छोटे होते हो, तो I like magenta color, I like red color, I like, pink color, all these colors. But according to a study, when you turn somewhere around 15, 16, most people, acha, let me take a review of that. Which is your favorite color? Tell me. Chat में बताओ. So, after you turn 15, 16, 90% of the people develop a thing for the color blue. तो ये बात है. Blue is also, and how it is applicable in design. अभी थोड़ा साइड में भी जाएंगे. McDonald's गए हो तुम लोग? I assume that we are fortunate enough that we have gone to. A lot of people are saying black also. Black technically is not a color, but ठीक है चलो. Have you been to McDonald's? McDonald's गए हो कि नहीं? Yes. What is the color palette that they use? Only red. Red yellow ना बाबा. Red yellow. Why? तो इसके red and yellow, yes. इसके पीछे भी there is some logic. So according to color theory, application of color theory, yellow is the color which excites you, and particularly in context of food, yellow is the color which entices hunger. So generally I'm saying किचन में येलो कलर नहीं दिया जाता, बिकॉज वो खराब हो जाता है तो वो डिफरेंट बात है, बट किचन में येलो कलर नहीं दिया जाता. इफ आई हैव टू मेक अ जोक आउट ऑफ इट, if yellow color is given to the walls of the kitchen, the food will not go out of the kitchen, it will stay in the to the dining room, it will stay in the kitchen. But dining rooms में red and yellow काफी इसीलिए यूज किया जाता है. If you go to a very fancy restaurant, very high end restaurant, they have this yellow color palette going, yellow beige, warm color palette going on, because they excite our food. Second reason they use yellow and red, because yellow and red, or warm colors as we know, they are known as active colors, and red gives us a sense of urgency. We have to go quick. So what is the business model of McDonald's? They want you to come, they want you to eat your burger, and then they want you to go. They don't want you to sit there for a very long time. So that if you notice, in McDonald's, generally the chairs, they don't have the backrest, so that you don't get comfortable. There is no lounge like areas anywhere in the McDonald's, or the TV or whatever it is going, it is always on repeat. So you get bored and you leave very quickly. अभी जैसे पुणे का वो पुनेरी पार्टी फेमस है, जैसे रेस्टोरेंट्स में पुणे में लिखा होता है कि फालतू में ना बैठे, तो वैसा तो वो नहीं कर सकते. So they use these strategies. Another thing why they use red and yellow is something known as business cycle. जैसे if I have a dairy shop, correct, मेरा dairy shop है, so my business cycle is of 1 day. Are you getting my point? So if I'm a customer of a dairy shop, I will go there today, I'll buy half a liter of milk. I'll go there tomorrow, I'll again buy half a liter of milk. So the business cycle is 1 day. Let's say there is a Kirana store. His business cycle for one customer is, let's say, 1 week. So I buy 2 kilos of rice today. After 1 week, I go there. If I am a company who sells refrigerators or things which are very expensive, so the customer generally wants to, the customer generally wants to spend a lot of time thinking, and if you excite him a lot, then that is not a good idea. You might think, let's say you have a electronic shop, and you'll be like, what, I'll use red and yellow. So the customer comes and he has to act urgently, and he buys the 20,000 thing impulsively, and then he goes. But it doesn't work. If you go to buy your phone and the guy is like, sir, kharid lo, kharid lo, kharid lo, kharid lo. You tend to not buy it because you want to think about when you want to invest a lot of money into something. So these companies use the color generally green and blue because these are blue is tranquilizing color जो शांत कर देता है तुमको. So then you think thought मतलब तुम सोचते हो कि बाबा what's going on here, and you make a clear decision about it. The business cycle of McDonald's is maybe 6 hours only. I know people who eat breakfast, lunch and dinner in McDonald's. So what their whole design, the brand design is such that using it, and it is centered around the color red and yellow. That is, you come, you eat our stuff, you buy our product, and then you go. If the same strategy is used by, let's say, Samsung, if you use the same strategy, such as this Nokia to abhi nahi hai. So these companies, the one who have a larger, business cycle, they want you to think calmly because that is what customer want. Then you will say, sir, what about Ferrari? Because Ferrari का color क्या है? What is the color of Ferrari? कल Ferrari का brand color क्या होगा? बताओ, chat में बताओ. Yellow? Ferrari का red नहीं है. So sometimes that signifies the brand. Okay, sometimes that signifies the brand. कि brand के what are the values of the brand? जैसे if you go to Starbucks, or at least you have seen the color of Starbucks, so they have a very specific green. It's not any random green. It is not this green. It is not this green. It is a very specific green because the green, if you see, it's a very earthy green. It's very, I think the color is something like this. Right? If I'm not wrong, am I making myself clear? Is this green, right? Some more or less. So the brand value is that they are very, because coffee comes from the ground. Yes. So they want to be down to earth. वो वाला फंडा है. Even when we were designing my website, so we did a lot of market research about it. अभी उसमें शायद, ठीक है, let me just give you. Do you want to see the website? So website देखना है, क्या? देखोगे? So अभी मैं ना नाम नहीं दूंगा because this will be on YouTube. But when we checked out कि बाबा हमारा जो competition है, whatever the competition that we have, what are they doing? So if you know who I'm talking about, you know those big huge brand who have nationwide this thing. So if you go on their website, one website uses red and yellow. So it's a very, very aggressive website. You feel there are all these numbers and very, very aggressive website. And if you go to another website, so they have very cluttered website. And as a person who is into design and who wants to go into design, or who is designing, I think that it is very stupid that you have designed such kind of website where you are acting like you are selling vada pav. It's as simple as that, if I have to tell you. So then we did the research about our what we want and what we do. So let me show you that thing. इसको तो PDF ही बाद में हो जाएगा शायद. एक सेकंड. So we thought, you know what, let's do one thing. Unable to connect here. कि एक तो visual design जो है, it is a dialogue. It is never selling. Yeah, you can see. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, this is what you see at the first. Now, let's analyze this. Okay. Which two colors I have used, or we have used, not me. Which two colors we have used?
White and blue.
White, blue, and orange as well. So blue and
Orange.
orange are pair of contrast colors. So when this is the first thing that you see, our idea by using this thing was I mean, what you had is ki you should feel calm and content, but there should be some thing that goes in ki, okay, I have a purpose. So that's why you have this color, you have this orange thing. Then as you go ahead, this moves up, and then these are the three streams that we work on. Then this is how the website goes. So we generally wanted to have a website where if you have talked with me, जैसे crash course के बारे में तो बात नहीं करो, if you have talked with me around 1 year or 2 year batches, so this is how my conversation is with you. कि okay, first thing I want is like how are you doing and all, and then what do you want to do. So let's say you select architecture. I'll talk about that later. But just say what do we provide? Okay, so this is what we provide, all those things. Then what is the general idea? So I always ask you कि तुम्हारा drawings मेरे को कुछ भेजो. Some drawings you have to send me so that I get an assessment. Those who are in Pathfinder batch, the assessment happens first for at least 2-year batch. Then you have the foundation, then you have master classes, then you have power models, which is going on the crash course, and then there is a stress series. So this is being the overall idea of things. This is how the structure of the class is. Then this is the idea ki what we are doing right now. Then what have we achieved right now. This is called a social proof of ki baba what people are saying about us. And at the end of the day, if you want to inquire, you have this. So this website is not selling as aggressively as it should be, but we thought that this is the best way to go. किसी के पीछे पड़ के क्या मिलेगा. तो कलर थ्योरी का इतना इम्पैक्ट होता है. दिस इज हाउ यू थिंक अबाउट कलर थ्योरी. नॉट जस्ट प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी कलर पता होने से नहीं, इट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू फॉर डे 1 डे 2 एंड टुडे आल्सो कि नॉलेज होना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट विजडम इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट कलर थ्योरी, द व्हाई कलर थ्योरी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, चलो. सो कलर थ्योरी के बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं. क्या है कलर थ्योरी? एंड वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बायोलॉजिकल aspect of how we see and what we see. So color theory है. So colors, they are around us. As we said, we are impacted by that, all that thing. And जैसे I think on day 1 I had said कि color is an element of design, but उसके लिए एक अलग पीडीएफ है. ये पूरा पीडीएफ उसी के लिए है, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज कलर क्या होता है, color is the last layer of your composition. So if you have done a very beautiful composition, but if you use a bad color scheme, it's ruined. And if you have an average composition, but you use a proper color scheme, then it is properly done. So color is a very, very important element of design. And according to me, most important because it is the top layer of your this thing. Okay, so first we need to understand how we see and how it goes on. So let's say I put you in a room where there is no light. There is an apple kept in that room and you are in that room, right? And if I lock you in a room where there is no light, there is no possibility of any light seeping in through the room, will you be able to see the apple? Is it possible? Yes or no? No, right? There is definitely apple, but तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा है because there is no light. So that is the first proof कि we need light to see. Unless until there is no light, we cannot see. So how it works simply is, let's say I have this object here, right? And this is my eye. Let's say the light source is here. Light goes on to this. Now some of the light is, these are light rays. Some of the light is reflected, some of the light is absorbed. Whatever is reflected, it falls on my retina, and that's how we see. So this is the first qualification of light, and it is very important to understand because this is the starting of color theory. So unless until there is light, there is no vision. Now light जो है, जो light sunlight का हम बात कर रहे हैं. So white light is composed of lot of things. So what we see is this. We'll talk about this in just a while. But what we see is an interpretation. What we see is different from what a dog sees. what we see is different from what a snake sees. What we see is different from a butterfly. What we see is different from, let's say there is an animal called mantis shrimp. Okay, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे बाद में, थोड़ा बहुत डिटेल पीडीएफ है, बोर मत हो जाना, बस काफी मजा आएगा. तो for me as a human being, according to my organ senses, मेरे लिए चीजें अलग दिखती है. समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता है that my vision and your vision cannot be the same, or sometimes it is not same. Case in point, have you heard about color blindness? Have you heard about color blindness? Yes or no? है ना? तो color blindness में क्या होता है? I don't see a particular color. So let's say if I'm color blind and if I can't see the color red, so what you see of this color is different and what I see of this color is different. If you are interested, there is this guy called Vsauce on YouTube. Okay, and he has a video which is my red is not the same as your red. If I'm remembering it correctly, I think either it is red or yellow. So वो जो लाइट है, वो जो लाइट रे है, अभी ये किसने किया था बताओ? ये इसको क्या, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? इस फिनोमिनन को क्या कहते हैं? रिफ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, डिफ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, रिफ्लेक्शन कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं इसको? Refraction. So when light passes through a prism at a certain, it splits, and it does not only split in these three colors. When light is split into its constituents, we see this thing. This is what our vision allows us to see. A dog has a narrow, this is called a visible spectrum, by the way. A dog has a narrower visible spectrum. A butterfly has a wider visual spectrum, and accordingly. So what we see is, इसको रेनबो कहा जाता है. रेनबो देखा होगा ना, you must have seen the rainbow. So when light is refracted, what we see is VIBGYOR. What is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red? There was a question in JEE. What are the colors that are found in a rainbow? Option number 1 was violet, indigo, black, green, yellow, orange, red. Violet, indigo, blue, gray, yellow, orange, red. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and some random color from R. So इतना simple question 4 mark के लिए था. तो ये हमारा, this is our visible spectrum. This is what we see, right? Now how do we see? ये भी एक important बात है. तो जैसे, क्योंकि it forms the basis of a lot of things. So जैसे ये banana है मेरे पास. I have this banana in front of me. Okay. So when sunlight comes like this, so it has all the colors of visible. The sunlight has infrared also, it has ultraviolet also, it has X-rays, gamma rays, all those things are there. But we are limited by our vision. So what this banana is doing here, it is absorbing all the color frequencies and it is only reflecting the color yellow. It is only reflecting the frequency of light that resonates to the color yellow, and then that light falls onto my eyes, and this is how I see the color yellow. Are you getting my point? Yes? Am I able to make myself clear about this? कि कैसे हमें कलर दिखता है? Yes? तो कलर का अगर हम फिजिक्स के हिसाब से देखें तो वेवलेंथ के साथ मैटर करता है. तो ये हमारा विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम है. इसके इधर होता है इंफ्रारेड, इसके इधर होता है अल्ट्रावायलेट. रेड हैज द शॉर्टेस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड देयरफॉर हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ. ये इस पे शायद फिजिक्स वाले में सवाल आ सकता है, ये ध्यान में रखना. ऑल्सो वायलेट हैज द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी, लोएस्ट वेवलेंथ, ये इस पे सवाल आ सकता है. सो ये एक बेसिक हो गया कलर थ्योरी कि हमें क्या दिखता है, कैसे दिखता है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ये स्किप भी कर दिया तो भी चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, बट नॉलेज के लिए पता होना चाहिए. तो कलर थ्योरी क्या है? कलर थ्योरी इज अ टूल और अ मेथड और अ सिस्टम to understand different color things, terms, and it gives us an idea on how to use the color theory, colors properly. Okay. So generally, when we say what are primary colors, we generally are related to RYB colors, but it is not true. There are different systems of colors. जैसे एक होता है additive color model, and this is an actual color model, right? In our eyes, you have, I think, cone shaped things and rod shaped thing, ऐसा कुछ तो भी है, if I'm remembering it correctly. तो हमारा eyes जो है, physically if you see, actually the primary colors are red, green and blue. Okay. If you want the color yellow, you need to mix red and green. If you want the color magenta, you need blue and green. And if you want this color, this is a magenta color, red, blue. You can do this experiment. If you can get your hands on a torch of red color and a torch of green color, and you like ऐसा और ऐसा किया, so when they mix, you will actually see yellow color. If you put red and blue, you will see magenta color. If they are exactly in the same of the same intensity. If let's say red का percentage है 75% and green का percentage है 25%, so which color you will see? Try करो बताने का. If red is 75%, the intensity of red is 75% and green is only 25%. So which color will you see?
Orange.
Orange, है ना? So ये सिस्टम यूज होता है तुम्हारे LCDs में, LEDs में, OLEDs में. Okay, what you are seeing on your screens, ये RGB कलर मॉडल से होता है. अगर तुम LED कभी देखोगे, जब एडवर्टाइजमेंट वगैरह देखते हो, तो LED का एक मॉडल ऐसा होता है जिसमें है 1 रेड, 1 ग्रीन एंड 1 ब्लू. तो ये एक बात है, इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में भी बोला जा सकता है, बट अभी उतना टाइम हमारे पास नहीं है. The one that artists use is called as RYB color system, और हम इसी को कंसिडर करेंगे. That is primary colors are red, yellow, blue, RYB. Okay, इसके बारे में हम काफी डिटेल में बात करेंगे. दूसरा एक होता है CMYK कलर मॉडल. ये यूज होता है प्रिंटिंग में. किसी इफ यू हैव कलर प्रिंटर एट होम, वहां पे RYB या RGB इंक नहीं खरीद के लेके, यू यूज CMYK. सी सायन. एक सेकेंड गाइस, आई हैव अ important call. Just hold on, okay? Just give me 2 minutes. Just hold on. Sorry. Really sorry to keep you waiting. Okay, where was I? Yeah. So if you see the newspaper on the side में, I think यहाँ इसमें भी होगा शायद, प्रिंटिंग में. So in printing, if you see on the कहीं न्यूज़पेपर में नीचे ना ये 4 कलर के डॉट्स होते हैं. So this is a CMYK color schemes, right? So CMYK printing में यूज होता है, but we are always going to consider our RYB color model. So this is an actual painting done by Newton, because Newton came up with color scheme. He actually came up with the color theory in the 1920s का जो plague था ना, in the lockdown वो क्या, quarantine में he decided that he was playing with the prism and sunrise passed through it, and then he saw the rainbow, and that's where he realized this. तो ये तुम्हारा RYB कलर मॉडल है, रेड येलो ब्लू का. एंड दिस वाज, आई थिंक दिस वाज डन इन, चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. तो ये बात है न्यूटन ने किया था. तो जैसे हम इसकी बात करते हैं, है ना, हमारे विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम की, तो whatever we see around us is the mixture of this visible spectrum plus amount of lightness and darkness. जैसे you will say कि सर मेरे रूम जैसे ये कलर है ना, that one, जैसे कि ये कलर तो सर is not visible here, है ना, या फिर सर let's say sir this color is not here. So what we see is the mixture of these all colors from this plus amount of lightness and darkness from it. और इसमें भी there are three colors which are the colors which cannot be obtained by mixing any two colors, and these are called primary colors. You know this. Why these are not called, why these are not, I mean, why they are called primary colors? Because they are the start. They are like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. From there the world started. From with there the, you know, you came, you have this all color system. Also, they cannot be, if you take your poster color ka thing and you try to make a new color with all the available color, it is just not possible. You will say, sir, if you mix orange and pink, I can get red color. But where does orange come from? Orange comes from this. So ये primary colors है, R, Y, B. Okay, there are three totally distinct color. And if I had to talk in terms of principles of design, these primary colors have equal contrast and they have equal harmony as well. So they are not best friends also, and they are not एक दूसरे के जानलेवा दुश्मन also. They are three friends who have, जैसे one is a lawyer, one is an architect, one is a CA. They have their own thing going on, but they are good friends. So whenever you have any confusion, अगर जब JEE का बात है, if you have any confusion which color scheme to use, and if color scheme is not mentioned, go with primary colors. Is always looks good. Always looks good. Okay. So primary colors have a very good contrast and they have a very good harmony in between them as well. You can see here. There are some examples. Secondary colors, अभी primary colors के पीछे तो नहीं जा सकते, but we can mix them. So if you mix these two colors, which is red and yellow, you get a secondary color which is known as orange, right? If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. You mix yellow and blue, you get green, and you mix red and blue, you get violet. So इसको GOV. Primary color क्या है? RYB. Secondary color GO and V. RYB, GOV. Now, the way primary colors have harmony and contrast, secondary colors also have primary and contrast, but it is my general observation that because violet is a fairly darker color, and if you use a particular green, so RYB color scheme जो है वो थोड़ा darker shade में चला जाता है. तो if you want to use primary color scheme, either use very light violet or very light green. Otherwise, it has a very low value. Value is amount of lightness or darkness in the composition. Then we have tertiary color. So you mix primary color with a secondary color, you get a tertiary color. जैसे red, orange, reddish violet, blue, green. ये हम color wheel में देखेंगे. So this is an example of that. So if you see here, you have green here, you have blue here, and this is somewhat second tertiary color. Okay. So color wheel जो है, color wheel ये एक बहुत is a very good idea to remember every color style or every color thing. तो इसको ये कैसे बना, I'll explain that to you. Okay, so I have three primary colors, right? Red, correct? I have yellow, and I have blue, correct? So I want, let's say I want to put them in a circle. तो ये जो color है yellow, जैसे circle, I want to do it in a circle, right? Like this. So what I'll do, I'll use the color red over here. I'll use the color yellow, red over here, yellow over here, and blue over here. Now I have just one question for you. If, अच्छा, what would be this angle? ये angle कितना होगा बताओ?
120.
Yes, simple. Okay. Now, if you mix red and yellow, you see red and yellow, you see a color called orange. So orange will come here. If you mix yellow, see yellow and blue, so you get a color called green, which goes here. And if you get the color येलो एंड रेड, तो तुम्हें ये कलर मिलेगा, विच इज मैजेंटा और पर्पल. तो ये हो गया. फिर इसके बाद यू ऑल्सो हैव दिस टर्चरी कलर, जैसे रेडिश ऑरेंज आएगा यहाँ पे, येलोइश ऑरेंज आएगा यहाँ पे. You have something as a parrot green over here. You have bluish green over here. You have magenta, this violet color over here, and you have. So these are called tertiary, so primary, secondary, tertiary. अभी okay. So color terminologies का बात करते हैं, इसको हम अभी के लिए साइड में कर देंगे इतना. So what is hue? अभी तक हमने सिर्फ कलर देखा है. Hue क्या होता है? Hue means the original color. Now there can be a confusion between hue and color. So hue is every color that is available in color wheel or our visible spectrum. So whatever you see here is a hue. Then what about light red? What about navy blue? Or what about other color, जैसे light brown है. So hue is a pure color that is available in our visible spectrum. But when any other color is called a color, any other phenomenon is called a color. So every hue is a color, but not every color is a hue. Are you getting my point? Color and hue may difference. Hue is pure color. Hue is pure thing, whatever is available in our visible spectrum, and color can be mixed with some other color. तो ये एक पहला टर्म यू, बट जनरली हम यू इज ऑल synonymous with the term color. Then we come about the value. अभी value समझने के लिए हमें यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Okay. So you see, this is my color thing, right? मेरा color है. Let's you. ये let's say this is my pure, this one red. So let's say this is my pure hue, correct? But जैसे जैसे ये इसका मैं वैल्यू कम करता हूँ, सॉरी नॉट दिस, वैल्यू से क्या होता है, अमाउंट ऑफ लाइटनेस जो है वो कम होता जाता है. सो इफ द कलर इज एट हाईएस्ट वैल्यू वी विल सी इट एज रेड, एंड जैसे जैसे वैल्यू कम होता, मतलब लाइट कम होता जाएगा, उसको हम इसकी तरह देखेंगे. इसको समझने का एक सिंपल तरीका अगर मैं बताऊं तुम लोगों को, तो मान लो आई हैव दिस ग्रीन, राइट. if I see this in this light, it is of certain color. But if I close my window and if less light is coming, so then the color will be the same, but it will appear as different because a very little light is falling from that. So value is a amount of lightness or darkness in a color. Then tint क्या होता है? So any color plus white is known as tint, and any color plus black is known as shade. तो ये एक important बात है. Hue means pure color. Any color plus black is known as shade. Any color plus white is known as tint. Any color plus gray is known as the tone. So just a random question. If you mix the tint of red and the shade of red, right, what will you get? If you mix the tint of red and the shade of red, what will you get? The tone of red. Okay? Tone. So tone, when you make tone of any color, the saturation of that color goes down. Now what is saturation? Saturation can be understood as intensity, or saturation can be understood as intensity ही बोलेंगे. Brightness, I don't think brightness is the right term for that. जैसे देखो, I have the color red with me here. Okay, this is the saturation bar. इसको कम किया, I'm doing it, but वो हो नहीं रहा. So what is the difference between value and saturation? Value, if value is highest and saturation is highest, you have both white. But if value is zero, you have transparent color. And if value is zero, you will have black, because when I say value is black means total absence of light. And when I say saturation is zero, then it is a transparent color. एक और तरीका है इसको समझने का saturation को. Let's say you take you have a bottle of red color, right? And you pour it on paper and you smudge it up. So it will be the highest saturation, right? So that is 100% saturation. Then what do? You take that red color and you mix it in a, let's say, 1 mug of water. So will the color become darker? Will red become darker? डार्क नहीं हो जाएगा ना, उसका सैचुरेशन कम हो जाएगा. उसी के एग्जांपल, अगर तुम उसको एक बकेट में डाल दो तो वो और लाइट हो जाएगा. तो ये सैचुरेशन होता है, ये टर्म्स. तो ये बेसिक टर्म्स है. सो दिस आर द टर्म्स दैट वी विल यूज टू कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर रिगार्डिंग दिस. तो अभी वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ कलर स्कीम. अभी कलर स्कीम्स में कलर स्कीम क्या होता है, बिकॉज एंडिंग में जब हम व्हेन वी विल सी दैट कलर का मीनिंग भी हम देखेंगे. जैसे एक, लेट मी आस्क यू अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कलर रेड? रेड का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हेन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कलर रेड? और व्हिच इमोशन इज कैन बी डिपिक्टेड बाय यूजिंग कलर रेड?
Danger, danger,
डेंजर, एंगर,
anger,
Aggression,
लव नहीं होगा,
passion,
पैशन भी होगा, लव भी होगा, लस्ट,
caution,
caution भी होगा. So see, it depends on which colors you are combining it with. Let's say we'll do two things, right? So I have the color red over here. Oh, red and red, right? Same color, exact same color. But I'm going to combine that with, let's say, this color. So not this. Number 1. Number 2. Maybe number 3. Maybe. Oh. Maybe number 4. So this is one color scheme. On the other hand, क्या the meaning of the color red in A and meaning of the color red in B, are they same now?
no sir.
No, right? Because so color का individual जो meaning होता है, when the color has an individual meaning, it's true. But when it is used in combination with other color, it changes its nature. And that's what color schemes give us. Color scheme में क्या होता है? You use combination of colors in such a way that a certain desired result is achieved. जैसे, अच्छा, A और B, which one is a happy, positive, optimistic color scheme?
B.
B.
B,
The sad, depressed, tired, as simple as that, right? Okay. So then the first one here we have is a primary color scheme. So we have, अभी यहाँ पे देखो, primary color scheme means RYB, we know that, right? But it is not only about one shade of red, one shade of yellow, one shade of blue, or one particular this of blue. You can have pure hues, or you can have all the shades of yellow, RYB, or all the tints, or shade of red, tint of blue, and a little more saturated yellow. That is also known as primary color scheme. जैसे इसमें है, सुपरमैन इज प्राइमरी, टॉय स्टोरी, बर, ये तो लोगो आया भी था तुम्हारे इसमें, ये भी है. ट्रायडिक में शायद हम बाद में देखेंगे अगर इसमें होगा पीडीएफ में. सेकेंडरी भी उसी तरह से वर्क करता है. सेकेंडरी लुक्स लाइक दिस. प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी ऑलवेज गो हैंड इन हैंड. अभी जो तीसरा जो टर्म है, दैट इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रास्ट colors. Abhi we understood yesterday that what is the meaning of contrast. Contrast is putting exactly opposite thing next to each other, and what is the impact of that वो भी हम देखेंगे. तो इसके लिए एक काफी सिंपल सा थ्योरी है. जैसे हमने कहा 3 दोस्त हैं, architect, CA and lawyer. Let's say they decide to meet one day and architect does not show up because he has a lot of work. He's a busy man, you know. just kidding. So lawyer and CA come and they start bitching about the color red, and he's like, you know, red eye. You know, they are talking against red, and when they talk about it, when you mix red and yellow, you get the color green. So these two colors are known as contrast colors. So red green is a pair of contrast colors. Similarly, blue orange is a pair of contrast colors, and architects are busy, and yellow violet is a pair of contrast color. अभी इसका implication क्या है? Let me show you. Okay. Let's say I'm using the color red. Color red and color red. Okay. अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ? I'm going to put the color red on 2 different backgrounds. So the first background that I'm going to use is on orange. Did I change the color red? No, color red was the same. But are they perceived as same color? Which, A or B? Which red is more prominent?
B.
B. Why? Because when you put contrast color next to each other, the way we understood contrast yesterday, if you put a juxtaposition, जो मैंने term explain किया, juxtaposition. If you put two things opposite to each other, exactly to opposite, then the importance of both increases. दोनों का importance बढ़ जाता है. So red appears more red. It does not mean that the color changes, the appearance changes. Let me give you another example of this. Okay. Let's say we use the color, let's use blue here. Okay. Blue and blue. We are going to use the first color as this color. होगा एक सेकंड होगा. What is the contrast color of blue? What is the contrast color of blue?
Orange.
Oh, sorry, इसको थोड़ा so ये blue देखो और ये blue देखो, right? You see the difference? So this is how contrast color work. Contrast colors, अच्छा एक observation होना चाहिए, but मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. Red is, अच्छा एक example देख, तो ये red green, ये कौन सा लोगो है? Contrast colors. ये किसका लोगो है बताओ? What is the logo? What is the name of this logo? किस कंपनी का लोगो है?
Firefox.
Okay. Red blue है, green orange है, yellow violet है. Can you tell me another company which uses blue orange in their logos?
Chrome.
बिग बाजार में कौन से कलर हैं? बिग बाजार हो गया, जस्ट डायल हो गया, फेविकॉल हो गया, यस, फैंटा आई थिंक मोस्टली इट्स ऑरेंज. तो ये बात है. उसका लॉजिक वही है that when two things are put together they bring in that value. ये है तुम्हारा येलो वॉयलेट। येलो वॉयलेट का ये एग्जांपल्स है। एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं, इट इज नॉट समथिंग ब्रिलियंट बट जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वेशन। रेड इज अ प्राइमरी कलर, करेक्ट? ग्रीन इज अ सेकेंडरी कलर। सो प्राइमरी कलर का कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर जो है वो सेकेंडरी कलर ही होगा और सेकेंडरी कलर का प्राइमरी कलर होगा। लेकिन इफ यू जैसे कॉन्ट्रास्ट, अच्छा ये बात मैं बताना भूल गया, contrast color जैसे this is red and this is green, so contrast colors are situated exactly opposite to each other on the color wheel. देखो yellow violet, blue orange ना, red green, but तो प्राइमरी कलर का जो ये है कॉन्ट्रास्ट वो सेकेंडरी कलर होगा ऑल्सो, इफ बिकॉज यू नो दिस टर्म्स। वार्म कलर का कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर कूल कलर ही होगा, लेकिन टर्चरी कलर जो है उसका जो कॉन्ट्रास्ट होता है वो हमेशा टर्चरी ही होता है। सी ये वाला, तो ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात है। कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर्स आर ऑलवेज सिचुएटेड नेक अपोजिट टू ईच अदर ऑन कलर व्हील। अभी बट कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विद कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर कि एक तो यू कैन आइदर यूज, अच्छा कूल कलर वार्म कलर बता देता हूँ। ये जो हमारा कलर व्हील है, देखो प्राइमरी कलर्स आर वाई बी, सेकेंडरी कलर्स जी ओ वी। कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर का पेयर कौन सा है? रेड ग्रीन, येलो वॉयलेट एंड ब्लू ऑरेंज, करेक्ट? color wheel mein there are some colors which denote or which depicts fire, heat, energy, so those are called as warm colors, and cool colors में ये आते हैं BGV. so warm color को समझोगे ROY, correct? You can see it here. They are considered as active colors, more energetic colors, and cool colors are BGV, blue, green, violet. Okay, primary colors are YB, secondary colors GOV, complementary colors red, green, blue, orange, yellow, violet. Warm colors ROY, red, orange, yellow. Secondary cool colors BGV, blue, green, violet, and they're considered as passive colors. Okay, but sometimes what happens, we have to use, क्योंकि दो कलर में when you do only two colors, sometimes it becomes difficult to do only in two colors, and it's not advisable also, because when you put red and green next to each other वो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेनिंग हो जाता है आईज को। आई थिंक आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग द टर्म राइट नाउ। इफ यू फाइंड द लास्ट ईयर्स पेपर, देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस कि वो टर्म का नाम क्या है, मुझे अभी एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट तुम शायद चाहे तो देख सकते हो। तो लेट्स से आई वांट, व्हाट इज, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट दैट टर्म वाज? क्रोमोस्टेरोसिस। ओके, थैंक यू सूरत नायन। So let's say I want to use three colors. So then what we do, we use this system called split complementary color scheme. Okay, what is a split complementary color scheme? Okay, इसको ऐसे समझो, let's show you this. This is a pair of contrast colors because they are opposite to each other. Okay, what do? You keep this color as constant and you take this color and you split this into two, right? Take a pair of contrast color, इसको ऐसा लो और इसको split कर दो. So this is a split complementary color scheme. अभी इसका मतलब और इंपॉर्टेंस भी मैं बताता हूं। Okay, so let's take this color wheel for that matter. So I have taken red and green as my primary contrast color scheme, but I kept red as constant, और ये जो secondary color है उसको मैंने इस tertiary में और इस tertiary में divide कर दिया। So what color scheme do I get? Red, bluish green and yellowish green, correct? So this one is known as a pair of split complementary color scheme, and it can be done with any color scheme for that matter. Just say you take yellow violet, right? So let's take, we are keeping yellow, इसको ऐसा करो और इसको ऐसा करो, तो we get yellow. What is this color? This color is bluish, not bluish, this color is, oh sorry,
Purplish blue.
wait, no, I got the wrong pair there. Not this is the right color scheme. So we take yellow and then we have reddish violet and then we have bluish violet. Now carefully, okay, let's take this. Which colors do I have? I have, let's say, 100 red. We have 50 blue plus 50 green, and we have 50 yellow and 50 green. So you see which colors are used. You have red plus you have green and green, right? Blue is green and yellow is green में green है. So that gives you a lot of contrast, right? Also, red के साथ blue भी है 50%, yellow भी है 50%. So when you use this color scheme, you have a lot of contrast, but the contrast is not an absolute contrast, because as I said, primary colors also have a little bit of harmony. So this color scheme has 75% contrast and 25% harmony. This is not a scientific study, this is just to give you an example कि क्या होता है. So when you use split complementary color scheme, you have a little bit of harmony. It is not absolute contrast, but you also have 75% of contrast. So when there is a question in JEE that use any color scheme to make it attractive, any three colors attractive, always go with split complementary color scheme. Looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this is split complementary. Let's say they have asked you to use, these are all the pairs of split complementary color scheme. There are 12 pairs of split complementary color scheme that we can make. You can use any one of them. And this is a schematic diagram. So if you have a color wheel and if you put like this, तो ये तुम्हारा schematic diagram बन जाता है. Now it is not only like this. जैसे ये इसको if you rotate it, जैसे if you rotate it like this, जैसे this 1, 2 and 3. So this is schematic diagram of if you, I don't think ये आएगा, but just in case अगर आ गया कि बाबा ऐसा किसका schematic होता है, तो वो split complementary color का होगा. Then if they ask you to use double split, 4 colors attractive, then you go with double split complementary. In split complementary what we did, took a pair of contrast color, एक को constant का, एक को split कर दिया. In double split complementary, you again take a pair of contrast color, you split color 1 also and you split color 2 also. So you get something like this. So this was my original pair of contrast color, split and split. So इसमें देखो दो चीजें हो रही है. You have these two colors are exactly opposite to it. So what will they have? They are contrast colors, right? And these two colors are exactly opposite to each other. So they will also have contrast colors. And we will see next that side by side जो color होते हैं, they are called analogous colors. So you have again more contrast but little bit of harmony. So this is how split complementary colors are. But so this is the ये split complementary color का ये होता है schematic diagram. और ये तुम्हारा रेक्टिलिनियर कलर बोलते हैं इसको. These are called rectilinear colors. और इसके सिर्फ 6 ही कलर पैलेट्स बनते हैं. ओके. देन एनालॉगस कलर्स की मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसे कलर दे गो हैंड इन हैंड. सो एनालॉगस कलर्स, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, any 3 or 4 colors which are side by side on the color wheel, they are called as analogous color scheme. And whenever these colors are used, they make a very pleasant color scheme. I mean, you take primary colors, सर स्प्लिट टर्चरी कलर में ही करना है या फिर प्राइमरी में भी ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. इफ यू टेक अ पेयर ऑफ, आई मीन जो ओरिजिनल पेयर है, इफ यू टेक दोस टू बी स्प्लिट टर्चरी कलर्स, देन यू विल हैव 2 प्राइमरी 2 सेकेंडरी. इसे मैं दिखाता हूं, इसमें देखो डबल स्प्लिट में करके दिखाता हूं. So if I take this as my color, so I'll have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have, see, you have red, yellow violet and you have blue orange. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ये होगा पेयर ना कहीं पे. ये देखो ये क्या है, पेयर है. चल ओके. एनालॉगस मतलब pleasing. So when there is a question, if they say use 3 colors attractive, go with split complementary. Use 4 colors attractive, go with double split complementary. If they use 3 or 4 color pleasant, go with analogous color scheme. These are how analogous color schemes look. Monochromatic, mono means one. So monochromatic color scheme क्या होता है? If you use tints and shades of any one color, not primary color, So then that is known as monochromatic color scheme. So some examples of monochromatic color scheme is like this. You use any color and uske tints and shades, no other color. You cannot, ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सर मैं जैसे ये एक ब्लू ले लिया तुमने, फिर तुमने बोला कि सर मैं ये वाला भी ब्लू ले लूंगा और मैं ऐसा नहीं, तुम्हारा ह्यू सेम रहेगा. आर यू गेटिंग? ह्यू क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? ह्यू सेम रहेगा. ह्यू में व्हाइट ऐड करो, ब्लैक ऐड करो, ग्रे ऐड करो, देन दैट विल बी नोन एज अ मोनोक्रोमैटिक कलर स्कीम. तो थोड़ा डिफरेंस कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. If they say monochromatic, don't use all the 4 greens you have. Use thoughtfully. And achromatic means black and white. As simple as that. Acha, this one, somebody's mic is on, please. They could mute themselves. वैल्यू का बात हुआ था ना, वैल्यू का माइक विश्वचरण, वैल्यू का बात हुआ था, अमाउंट ऑफ लाइटनेस एंड डार्कनेस. Contrast value, sorry, this is high key, this is contrast and low key value. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the previous video, check this out कि high key, low key और contrast value क्या होता है. तो ये सारे हमारे कलर स्कीम्स हैं. अभी इनका मीनिंग है, मीनिंग भी हम देखेंगे, बट ये एब्सोल्यूट नहीं है, ये ट्रू नहीं है. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, इसमें ही दिखाते हैं. जैसे हम वार्म कलर और कूल कलर का बात करते हैं, राइट? सो ये वार्म कलर है और ये कूल कलर है. तो ये जो 2 कलर्स है ना, ये वाले, सॉरी ये नहीं, ये वाला पर्टिकुलरली और ये वाला जो है रेडिश वॉयलेट एंड येलोइश ग्रीन. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ क्या होता है. सो जैसे रेडिश वॉयलेट मेरा ये कुछ हो जाएगा, reddish violet and reddish violet, because red is a warm color, violet is a cool color. So if I use this with all warm colors, this behaves as a warm color. But if I use this along with cool colors, so reddish violet and parrot green are, in my term, okay, this is my, they are called ambiguous colors, because if you use them with warm, they will behave as a warm color. If you use them with cool, they will behave as a cool color. Okay. So abhi we will do the final part, which is color and their meanings. ये part I'm not going to go बहुत deep में, इसमें ज़्यादातर समझने वाली ही बात है. So किसी भी कलर के 2 पहलू होते हैं, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट रेड, सो रेड यूज फिजिकल करेज, स्ट्रेंथ, वार्मथ, बेसिक सर्वाइवल, फाइट और फ्लाइट. सो if I have to use one color for red, so it's a very passionate color, it's a very energetic color. If you use it with the right color scheme, क्या हुआ? If you use it with the right color scheme, you can have passion, you can have physical strength, courage, warmth, all those things. But if you use it with the wrong colors, you can have negative colors, visual strain, aggression, violence, anger, all those things, right? Blue is generally a very positive color. Blue is the color of positivity. It's a color of intelligence, communication, trust, efficiency, logic, intelligence. But if you use a value, if you use shades of blue, or if you use tones of blue, then it can become lack of emotion, unfriendliness, coldness, or aloofness. You can see, I'm giving you some examples here. वो जो हमने कल कौन सा पेंटिंग देखा था, the blue guitarist,
Blue guitar.
right? So you getting how color scheme, वहां पे अगर प्राइमरी कलर यूज कर दिया जाता तो it would have not worked. So that particular painting had a contrast color scheme, as I explained, blue and orange. But what were used? The shades and tones were used. Yellow. So yellow na, it's such an overrated color for positivity. I mean, if you lot of marketing brands and lot of like creative brand have this, it's such an overrated color. I mean, it's not an overrated color in itself, but it बहुत ज़्यादा use हो चुका है. So yellow is positivity, optimism, self-confidence, extraversion, friendliness, and creativity. But if it is used, the wrong term is used, irrationality, fear, emotional fragility, depression. I have shared my experience with you regarding the color yellow. So red जो है, yellow color particularly, don't have a lot of yellow in your compositions. What it does, it is a very distracting color. So बहुत ज्यादा yellow नहीं होना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. Green है, green is the color of harmony, balance, nature, environmental awareness, equilibrium, peace. But if you use the dull, जैसे tones of colors will use, it is boredom, stagnation, blandness, all those things. Violet is a color of spiritual awareness, containment, luxury का color है. How it is considered as a color of luxury? There are two logics behind it. Number one, so originally पहले के टाइम पे, राजा महाराजों के टाइम पे, they were made up of colors were made from pure pigments, from natural flowers and all. And violet is fairly a very rare color in nature. Now, because it is a very rare color in nature, there are flowers of violet color, no doubt about that, but it's a very rare one. So to get the pigment of the color violet, it was a hefty affair, it was a costly affair, and to make the color violet was very expensive. And violet is the contrast color of yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow is the
Yellow.
color of
Yellow.
yellow is the color of gold. है ना? So they go, see, things just fit together sometimes. So violet is a color of luxury, but it can also be suppression or inferiority as well. But generally, violet is generally a very positive color. If tint is used, if you use the shade of violet, then it can be a little darker. And if you, worst combination that you can do is violet and brown. घटिया, बर्बाद, stupid, बहुत बहुत गंदा, बहुत बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो ये है. Orange is the color of physical comfort, food, warmth, security, all these things. Orange is a very positive color. Orange in Indian flag, it shows self-dedication, and it also shows sacrifice as well. But in negativity, it shows frustration, immaturity. I'll give you one interesting idea. In a plane, there is courageous. So in a plane, whenever a plane crashes and there is a news in the newspaper or in the media, you always see that they are trying to retrieve the black box. You understand what? Have you heard about this thing called black box? सुना है कभी?
Yes.
So black box. अच्छा, there was this question was in NID. What color is the मतलब black box का color क्या होता है? What is the color of the black box? Options are black, white, brown या orange. ये वाला कलर होता है. Because generally this color is very, I mean, fluorescent orange होता है जो generally उठ के दिख जाता है तुमको. So this is your orange. Then you have pink. Pink is physical tranquility, nature, warmth, femininity, love, sexuality, otherwise. And negative में भी है, emasculation है, physical weakness है, inhibition है. My favorite color is pink. Brown है. Brown is a very earthy color. It's a very, very heavy color. It is very difficult to pair brown with any color. It's seriousness, warmth, nature, earthiness, reliability, but lack of support, heaviness, and lack of sophistication as well. Gray is a color of positive psychological neutrality. I used to Wi-Fi issue. Am I audible now? Yes. Wi-Fi issue हो गया था. I'm really sorry about that. होना नहीं चाहिए था, but ठीक है, क्या करें. काफी लोग गायब हो गए. Okay. So gray is a color of psychological neutrality, and I used to like gray color a lot, but ठीक है, phases होते हैं life में. So gray is the color of that, and black is the color of sophistication, glamour, security, otherwise. And but negative में oppression, heaviness भी आता है. And white is hygiene, sterility, purity, cleanliness. But coldness, barrier, uncleanliness, all these colors, all these are also impact, or these are the aspect of the color white. तो ये इस तरह से तुम्हारा overall color theory होता है. अभी color theory का how do you use color theory in in your compositions? So whenever जैसा मैंने I give you 3 tips, right? If there is a question, 3 colors attractive, use split complementary. 4 colors attractive, use double split complementary. 3 or 4 colors pleasant, use analogous. Even when you use warm and cool colors, always select colors which are bright, and they should have a lot of contrast. जैसे value का अगर मैं बात करूँ तो whenever you want to create a good composition, it should have a very high value. If you do a composition which has very बहुत darkness नहीं होना चाहिए composition में, और बहुत lightness, it should be bright. There should be enough value contrast as well. So this was the overall color theory. Now, if we have any questions about color theory, I'm open to answer them. समझा क्या हुआ? I think काफी चीजें तुम्हें पता थी ना. Anyway, you knew a lot of things about this. Do we have any questions today's session? Hello. No? अच्छा, Pantone. So Pantone क्या होता है? So let's say I am designing on a screen. So that is a LED system, correct? And when I print, that is a CMYK system. So Pantone is the middle ground where Pantone एक color system है, एक company है Pantone करके, जो क्या करता है? It is the basic color. मतलब let's say I am designing in RGB, right? And when it goes to print, it works in CMYK. So Pantone system is the middle ground कि RGB का एक particular, every color has a code, right? 6-digit code होता है. That code is given to an RGB system, and then it is given to CMYK system as well. So what Pantone system does, it works as a bridge between intermediate things. जैसे for example, if I'm using मैंने एक logo किया है, तो उसको print में जब देना पड़ेगा तो मुझे CMYK में देना पड़ेगा. And to match that the colors are exact, we use Pantone color system. So if you go on the website of Pantone, you will get to know the codes and otherwise that are there. Sir, there are many chances that more questions will come on color theory. नहीं यार, color theory पे तो मतलब इतना ही आ सकते हैं, unless until they decide that they want to, मतलब तुम्हें, if they want to ask you wrong question, I mean, if they want, they will ask questions which nobody has heard of. So जो basic color है, क्या क्या ध्यान रखना है? Primary colors बताओ. What are the primary colors? RYB. Secondary colors GOV. Red plus yellow orange. Red plus blue violet. Blue plus yellow green. Contrast colors red green yellow violet blue orange. Warm colors ROY. Cool colors BGV. Split complementary के लिए क्या करोगे? Take a pair of contrast colors. Take one, split one. Double split में take a pair of contrast colors, दोनों को split कर दो. और क्या? और कलर का मीनिंग तो शायद ब्लू का कलर, ब्लू इज ऑलवेज अ ट्रैंक्विलाइजिंग कलर, येलो इज द कलर ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, ऑप्टिमिज्म. तो ये सब चीजें हैं. इससे ज्यादा अगर आएगा तो शायद हेक्साडेसिमल कोड पे आ सकता है. देयर कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन ऑन हेक्साडेसिमल कोड. ये कलर का क्या है बता दो एक बार. हेक्साडेसिमल कोड क्या होता है? आई थिंक आई माइट नॉट बी एबल टू पुट दिस रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन यूट्यूब. अभी काफी ये है, इसको एडिट करना पड़ेगा. What is the difference between color and hue? Hue is what you find in our visible spectrum, but color is every other color available. So for example, if I have red color in the visible spectrum, so that will be called as hue. But if I mix white into that hue, इट विल बी अ कलर बट इट विल नॉट बी अ ह्यू. सो इट्स प्योरिटी का फर्क होता है. Apart from topics that came in first attempt, what else should we practice? Okay, so you should, मैं तो अभी हेक्साडेसिमल तो मैं बता रहा हूँ तुमको अभी. हेक्साडेसिमल बता रहा हूँ. पैंटॉन एक बार पढ़ लो, और पैंटॉन ही है. बाकी तो मतलब एकदम मतलब वही है ना कि अगर उनको बहुत खतरनाक क्वेश्चन पूछना ही है तो पूछ लेंगे. सर विल यू प्रोवाइड दिस पीडीएफ इज ऑलरेडी इन पब्लिक डोमेन. श्रेयस कैन यू प्रोवाइड द लिंक अगेन एक बार. How many days will it take to arrange the full length mock test? I think it will take me at least 1 week. Tests are ready. It just कि उसका डिलीवरी कैसे करना है, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मैंने टेस्ट दे दिए. टेस्ट होगा फिर उसको डिस्कस भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना कि कैसे है क्या है. श्रेयस वो लिंक भेज दो. चलो, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दोस पेंटिंग क्वेश्चंस. मैं आई थिंक मैं रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर देता हूँ. चलो, सो दैट वाज कलर थ्योरी एंड वी विल टेक क्वेश्चंस.